Hi, welcome to This and That Homestead. Today we are going to be re-roofing the shed. We started re-roofing the shed a couple of months ago, but other things happened, so we had to go ahead, stop that project, put a tarp on it. As you can see, it's completely molded. So we're just going to go ahead and knock this out, that way the shed is usable again. A tree limb fell and busted a hole into the roof. As we started taking off the shingles so we could repair it, we found wood ants or termites underneath all the shingles. Every time we would take off a section of the roof, we would spray it down with the termite killer. We hadn't seen any wood ants or termites since we sprayed the building down. We used the old material as a diagram to replace the damaged ones. Now we are making sure that it matches up and it fits correctly. We put on the new plywood and now we're ready to put on the tar paper so we can roof it. It was quite windy, so we used a staple gun to hold down the tar paper into place. If you made it thus far, thanks for watching. There will be a part 2 of repairing the shed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Share your thoughts and comments down below. For more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember to click on that notification bell so you can be notified of our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well.